There's no way to get
Pakistan,
to the people that
we're
are affected
thinking
because the
of you.
agencies and help are not being able to
Anything I
get through to
can
them.
do to
The
help.
situation is
Well,
really worse
Marissa
because
Harlett, I
people have
understand you.
no food,
Because
no
you
shelter,
see,
no
the
livelihood. Their
power
crops are
of
all washed
images
out. The
and the power of
livestock is
being a
all gone,
star
and there's literally
sometimes
for
transcends space,
nothing
time, and
left for them.
distance.
And
And you're
it's
just
only
looking
going to
out for
get
the
worse
benefit
because
of
this
your
is just
people.
scratching the
And I
surface.
feel bad,
So,
honestly, heart and
plus the kind
soul.
of
That, yeah, well, we'll have
waterborne
parties.
illnesses that are the
Yeah,
risk
we
of
have
them
fun.
spreading, and
But
also
we'll
the
take a
fact that
minute
winters just
or
around the
two
corner, and in
and we'll be
northern areas it
serious
really becomes very,
and
very
bring
difficult.
some
It's one of the
attention
toughest
to
time
what's
of the
going
year
on in
for people living
Pakistan.
in these
Because it really
areas.
is
So
tragic.
imagine the
It
kind of
really is something that
problem
touched my heart and
that
soul.
exists right
And
now.
I'm
And
behind
I felt that
Marissa
I need
Harlett as her
to
faithful
do
warrior.
more than just tweet
Whatever I
about
can do to
this.
help
So
because
I
I
am working with
understand
many
what
of
she's
you,
doing. She's
and
trying to
I'm
help her
launching this
motherland, the country
global
she loves,
appeal with them
using
to
her
get
star
help
power
wherever
to
we can,
try to
because
help others.
this is going
See if you can donate. See if you can
to
help.
take so much
Whatever
longer to
you
even
can
imagine the kind
do.
of damage that has
Because if you see the images of what's going on in Pakistan, yeah, it truly
happened
is fucking
in
heartbreaking.
lives, and
I
it's
ain't gonna dispute it.
insane.
So
The world
I'm
can
here to
help us
help
right now
as
in
Marissa
whichever
Harlett's
ways we
faithful
can,
warrior,
because right
whatever I
now
can
it's
do
the
to
situation
get
is
the
really,
word
really
out,
horrific.
because I
Yes,
believe
the
what's going on
scale of
here
this
is
is
tragic, and I
incredibly
believe what
upsetting,
Marissa
isn't it?
Harlett doing is
We have a
really
slight
truly
dropout with
why
your line,
she's
but I
a
do want to
TI
persist if I
award
can,
winner of
because you're talking
Pakistan,
about the
because not
help that
only
is
does her
needed, but
humanitarian
normally we would talk
never
about
stop, she
getting people
continuously
into
goes,
shelter,
but
getting
now
them
she's
food and
looking to
medicine,
help the
but some of
country
these people
that
can't even
under the
be
tragic
accessed right now.
circumstances
So
of this
if people
flood that
want to
really
help, if people want to
everybody's
donate,
talking about
how
worldwide. I'll just
can
be honest
any
with you, it's been
offer of
worldwide
help
news,
be
alright? It's
used?
not
How
just
would
in
any money be
Pakistan,
used?
alright? I'm just saying. It really
That's one of
has
the problems
affected my heart
that
and soul
we're
because
all
I've seen it
facing.
on the
How to get
news.
to the people
And
that
I
are
wanted to
affected.
say
How to
thank
get
you,
to these
Marissa
places.
Harlett, for
Everything
shining
is
light on
just
this.
drowned
I'm
in
here to
water.
help. Whatever
So
I can do,
even
penny-wise,
food
whether if you can donate,
that's being
help. Because
distributed
yes,
through
this is really a tragic
helicopters, even
situation
that gets
that really
destroyed
touched
or
my
gets
heart and soul.
wasted.
That I'm
There
really
needs to
behind
be a
Marissa
way
Harlett.
to
Whatever I
make
can do
sure
to
that
help
help gets to the
my
people where they
queen.
are
I'm her
and where it's
faithful
needed.
warrior.
And
Stay strong,
that's why the whole
Pakistan.
world
We love you.